Hey there, welcome back to Buy Smart. In today's video, we have two fantastic drones that are perfect for kids and beginners. We'll be comparing the Holy Stone Mini Drone and the Q9s Drones for kids. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in different categories. When it comes to price, both drones are quite affordable. The Holy Stone Mini Drone is priced at $49, and the Q9s Drones for kids is also priced at $49, so in terms of cost, it's a tie. Now let's talk about the fun and features these drones offer. The Holy Stone Mini Drone has some exciting features like toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It also offers different speed settings, making it suitable for pilots of all skill levels. On the other hand, the Q9s Drones for kids comes with vibrant neon green and blue LED lights that create a stunning visual experience. It also has 3 different lighting modes. Both drones provide a lot of fun, but the Holy Stone Mini Drone's additional features give it a slight edge in this category. User-friendliness is crucial, especially for beginners and kids. The Holy Stone Mini Drone features altitude hold, which allows it to hover at a fixed height, making it easier to control. It also has a headless mode, where the drone's direction is always relative to where the pilot is facing. The Q9s Drones for kids also offers a one-button takeoff, landing, and return feature. It has 3 speed options and an altitude hold mode, making it beginner-friendly as well. Both drones excel in this category, so it's a tie. Battery life is essential for uninterrupted flying fun. The Holy Stone Mini Drone comes with 3 batteries, providing a total flight time of up to 21 minutes. This means you won't have to worry about running out of power or waiting for charging. On the other hand, the Q9s Drones for kids comes with 2 batteries, extending the flight time as well. In terms of battery life, the Holy Stone Mini Drone takes the lead. Durability is crucial, especially for drones that might experience crashes or accidental drops. The Holy Stone Mini Drone features propeller guards that protect both kids and the drone itself. It also has a full protection design ensuring extra safety. Similarly, the Q9s Drones for kids is designed with a structured style and 4 propeller guards to ensure a secure flight and withstand crashes. Both drones are built to last, so it's a tie in terms of durability. The Holy Stone Mini Drone stands out with its additional flight features and longer battery life. On the other hand, the Q9s Drones for kids impresses with its stunning LED lights. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on your personal preferences and priorities. And that wraps up our comparison between the Holy Stone Mini Drone and the Q9s Drones for kids. Both drones offer great fun and user-friendly features. The Holy Stone Mini Drone stands out with its additional flight features and longer battery life. On the other hand, the Q9s Drones for kids impresses with its stunning LED lights. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on your personal preferences and priorities. Thank you for watching this episode of Buy Smart. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. If you have any suggestions or requests for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned for more smart buying tips.